Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to permanently delete a Steam game from your account. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see the Library tab there. Click on it to view all the games currently in your Steam account. Now in the left panel where all your games are listed, locate the game you want to uninstall. Right-click on that game to bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, hover your mouse over Manage. This will expand a sub-menu where you'll see the option to uninstall. Go ahead and select that. This step removes the game files from your computer but doesn't delete it from your Steam account entirely. A confirmation window will pop up asking you to confirm the uninstallation. Click Uninstall again to proceed. This ensures you don't accidentally remove a game you still want to keep installed. The game will now be removed from your hard drive, freeing up storage space. Now comes the part where we permanently remove the game from your account. Navigate back to the upper left corner and click on Help. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Steam Support. This will take you to the support page where you can manage various aspects of your account and games. On the support page, click on the game you want to permanently remove from your account. This will open a dedicated support page for that specific game with various troubleshooting and account management options. Next, click on I want to permanently remove this game from my account. This option is specifically designed for users who want to completely delete a game from their library, meaning it won't appear in your account anymore and you'll lose access to it entirely. Keep in mind that this action is irreversible, so make sure you're certain about removing the game. Finally, click OK. I removed the listed games from my account permanently. This is the final confirmation step, and once you click it, Steam will process your request and the game will be completely removed from your account. You won't be able to download it again without repurchasing it. And that's it. You've successfully permanently deleted a Steam game from your account, freeing up not just hard drive space, but also clearing it from your library entirely. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.